body, just nice and light on your toes, little skip. Back. When we get to middle, switch sides. Turn that good. Same thing on the way back. Make sure that switch to the middle.
Just 2 and 2 on the way up, lads. Here, little shuffle across and up to the top. One each side, nice and sharp. Little jog back. Same again, working the other side. Quads. Just a little squeeze. Hang on. Up for a header, lads, and a little back pedal.
Lower.
Go on. No, easy now. Oh, you can't jump. Nice, Aaron. Nice and sharp in the middle, lads. Get ready to train.
Oh! Let's go. Terrible.
Nice,
Oh,
Johnny.
lovely.
Fire it in.
0 for effort. Or better.
Nice.
Oh, go.
Let's go. Nice and sharp. Steve's won that one. What are you doing? All the way through. Walk it back.
Yes. 3. Easy. 5. 7. And last one. Simple. Good. Low. High. Yes. There. Up. Easy. Step. Step. Push. Good. Easy. Hold it. Yes. Yes. Push. Up. Step. Step. Good. Easy. Yep. There. Push. Up. And good. Hold this side, right? Yes. There. Up. Push. Push. Move it.